Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. This is episode 4, making simple cubes. My name is Joseph and I hope everyone's having a good day so far. So in today's episode I'm covering how to make a simple three-dimensional cube. We're going to be covering again a bit of the stuff that we've done in making a 3D triangle, and I'll be covering some new stuff as well on how to utilize a new tool in the Google Make hotbar here, which can be useful. So let's start off by deleting this lady in the center of frame again, as always, and reorientating our screen. So making a cube is going to be very similar to making a cylinder. I'm just going to take the draw tool. I'm going to go to the origin point. I'm going to snap to the red, but what I'll do is also show you that you guys can use your arrow key. So if you hit your right arrow key, you actually auto snap to that plane. So I'm going to use the red arrow key and I'm going to go 4 meters and hit enter to create my first line of my cube. Next, I'm going to use my left arrow key and snap along the green axis. Again, 4 meters. Red arrow, and this time I don't even have to, I can actually go and orientate straight to this endpoint here. And you can see I'm still snapped. And I'm going to click again to create an endpoint. And as you can see, just like that, I've now got a very basic square. So to make a cube, there's 2 ways we can go about this. I'm going to show you the harder of the 2 ways first, and then the easier of the two ways second. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to snap in the blue orientation. So I'm going to use the up arrow, and you can see now I'm snapped to the up arrow key. I'm going to go 4 and enter. And again, I'm just going to repeat the actions I did before. So I hit the left key to go green, and then I'm going to use the snap to snap point to finish. I'm going to then use the up arrow again, and I'm going to snap across just like so. And again, up, snap, very simple, very easy. So that's our first 3-dimensional cube. See, super easy. So next, I'm going to do another cube. So what I'm going to do, just so I can get some even spacing, so you can see here, I've actually clicked on this endpoint. I'm going to go 4 meters across. And I'm just going to use my left arrow key to snap into a direction. I'm going to then just snap onto the red direction. And again, I'm just going to use the snapping functions like so. So the other tool I'll show you guys how to do, by the way, that line's not important. It just allows us to space evenly. So the new tool I'm going to show you is called the push-pull tool. So if I click on this, what this allows me to do is click on a surface. As you can see, it's highlighting the surfaces as I hover over them. So I'm going to highlight and hover over this surface. I'm going to click and hold and drag. And as you can see in Google SketchUp, it will allow me to drag out a surface. So what I'm going to do, I can either type 4, or I can drag it over to an endpoint, because I know these 2 cubes are in the same position, just 4 meters apart. I can drag to this endpoint and I'll know it's 4 meters, as you can see in the corner there where distance is flagged. Just like so. The last little thing I'll really quickly cover is we can see we've got 2 cubes now. There is another tool you can use, which is the shapes tool. And again, if I just click there, you can see I can create a shape, and I don't use this tool at all. So I think I do 4x4. Yep, very same thing. So I can go there, 4x4. And then again, I can use the pull tool to create my shape. So that was today's tutorial. Again, a very simple, very easy, very quick one. And I hope you guys have a great day. See you later.